Hi and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video I'm going to be going through program translators. What a program translator does is it converts higher level program code to machine code. So let's look at the types of program translator that exist. So there's three types you need to know about. There's compilers, there's interpreters, and assemblers. So let's take a look at what a compiler does. So a compiler translates all of the code in a particular program into machine code before the code can be executed. And once a compiler is finished, it produces, we usually produce an executable file which is then executed by the CPU. And with compilers, all the errors that are found in code by a compiler are reported once the compiler has finished. Okay, so that's compilers. Let's look at interpreters now. So with interpreters, an interpreter will translate code line by line into machine code as the program runs. And if an error is found during the execution of a program, the interpreter will stop and report the error. So with interpreters, they execute source code directly, line by line. And if an error is found, interpreters will stop executing the program and report the error. So the important difference then between interpreters and compilers is that an interpreter directly executes the source code, whereas a compiler translates the source code into a low-level language which can then be executed by the CPU. So I've just got some examples here then of interpreted and compiled languages. So some interpreted languages are Python and JavaScript, and some compiled languages are C, C++, and Java. So that just gives you an idea of what sorts of languages that we consider to be compiled and interpreted. So finally then, assemblers. So an assembler is a program which will translate assembly language to machine code. And these are only, as the name suggests, used for assembly language. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of the types of program translators that you need to know about, so compilers, interpreters and assemblers. I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.